Today I'm reviewing the Etude Jung Barrier Intensive Cream. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time sponsoring ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. And this is a newer version. Etude has kind of reformulated some of their products, come out with some new ones, change their name, cut their name in half, I guess. Okay, so they say formulated with Panthenol, Madecassoside, sunflower seed oil, and shea butter, this intensely hydrating cream moisturizes and restores the oil and water balance of skin while repairing damage. Low pH formulation and absence of irritants like fragrance, artificial colors, and parabens help pamper and nourish skin to strengthen it against damage and stress. I'm not going to totally sign on to all that. Parabens, I won't go on to it because it's a total off topic, but come to your own conclusion about it. Okay. So packaging. So this is my second tube of this, and I looked at my old empties, and I found the other tube was in my empties like this. Because I mentioned in the other video, why won't this top shut? And everyone's like, screw it back down. Whatever. I guess I'm not as smart as I think I am. Anyway, so no issues with the packaging. Once you remember how you opened it, you can remember how to close it again. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real scent. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea. Ease of use, so I'm not going to do a pH test because they mentioned the pH is 5.5 everywhere. So smooth a little bit. So you screw it open and then you push there and you get a little amount of it out. So smooth it onto face, neck. I grabbed a way big amount. I'm just going to do it on both the back of my hands, which are both very dry. But smooths over skin pretty easily. They say pat to aid with absorption. There we go. But absorbs pretty nicely, quickly sets to a natural finish, non-sticky, layers nicely over other serums, and works well under sunscreens. No issues at all with pilling or anything like that. And I don't think this one has any hyaluronic acid in it, which I find sometimes hyaluronic acid, especially when you're using a sunscreen with it, just makes it more prone to pilling. So, especially if you use a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and a sunscreen, it just really increases the chance of pilling. Doesn't mean it will pill, but increases it. So, no issues with ease of use. Very easy to use. So, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So, the first few ingredients are all slip water, Propanediol, Caprylic, Triglyceride, Glycerin. Then after that, we've got sunflower seed oil, which is a great emollient plant oil. We've got shea butter, great antioxidant, hydrating and soothing ingredient. We've got Panthenol, also known as provitamin B5. Panthenol is great. It is soothing for skin. It is hydrating. It is anti-inflammatory. It also has some wound healing properties. It's amazing for skin, especially irritated skin. Then we've got that Madecassoside, which also has some great wound healing, skin soothing benefits. And Madecassoside is also, there's some studies that show if you use it with a vitamin C L-ascorbic acid product, it helps even more with its skin protecting, hydrating, and firming properties. So if you can use this over your vitamin C serum, it will help. And then we've got green tea extract, another great antioxidant and soothing ingredient. So we don't have a super long ingredient list to this, but we've got a nice beneficial list. Everything has a good purpose, lots of antioxidants, skin soothing, wound healing ingredients. So they did a very good job with this slight change of their formulation. Then we get to animal testing. Unfortunately, Etude is sold in mainland China, so it is not cruelty-free. Hopefully that will change. In terms of the performance, this one really does help hydrate the skin. It really helps calm it down as well. It's really wonderful if you use strong retinoids or tretinoin. This one's a really good moisturizer to use with it. It's no frills, short, minimal ingredient list, but it really does help hydrate it, prevent the irritation, and help with flakiness and redness, things like that. Works nicely under sunscreen as well as in my evening routine. In terms of acne-jack ingredients, we've only got two of note, which is Cetearyl alcohol and Carbomer. Price, so this is the full size, which is 2 ounces or 60 milliliters, which is a little bit larger than the normal moisturizer. Most moisturizers in the U.S. are 1.7 ounces, this one's a little bit larger. And it retails for around $15, so it's a pretty good budget product. If you're on a budget, $15, and this one is also larger than most moisturizers. So really like it. In terms of the it factor, it's pretty versatile. It seems like this one works well for most people that try it out. They don't seem to have any issues with it. It's pretty versatile. Different skin types, acne prone, oily, sensitive, dry, eczema prone, all seem to have had pretty good experiences with this one. So really like it. It's affordable. It's got a minimal ingredient list. If this were cruelty free, I'd like it even more, but it's not. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 9. Cruelty free would have made it a 10 out of 10. So maybe if you're watching this Etude, change it, fire it up, go cruelty free, because then you can get a 10 out of 10 by me. Anyway, so I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this one out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.